details. Based on that, we create a production plan and get the process started. Our graphic team prepares the customer's design for printing. Product type, size, placement, and quantities are finalized at this stage. Once the design is approved, we move into production. Depending on the product and its needs, we use DTF printing or other suitable print methods. This allows us to achieve vibrant colors, sharp details, and long-lasting prints. After printing, the designs are carefully positioned on the fabric and applied correctly. Once the prints are completed, the products are organized according to the order quantity. Throughout the application process, every detail from the customer's order is followed exactly. Print position, size, and direction are applied consistently across all products, ensuring a clean, professional, and uniform result. After application, the protective stickers are carefully removed, and each product is inspected one by one. Print quality, fabric, and overall appearance are checked in detail. Clutches and all other items are carefully reviewed to meet quality standards. Once approved, the products are packed into boxes based on the order quantity. Required documents, the FedEx label, and a gift item are added. The boxes are securely sealed, moved to the shipping area, loaded onto the FedEx vehicle, and prepared for delivery. From start to finish, every order follows a structured process and is delivered safely to its destination.